Is this guy will die young. He will quench when his time has not come. Not yet his time. Now look at this. The Lord said that this thing is not good. It's not advisable. How could you imagine you see a child of just 10 years child carrying up to 40 liters of water, and you see the person moving, and you see why you see the person going, and you discover that even the way you feel, that small child, even everybody, people on the street will not be happy. Everyone saying, who gave this child this kind of load? What's the meaning of this? People will not, nobody will be happy with that situation. People will be moved to help, to assist, to ask questions. Are you sure this woman is the one that gave birth to this child? Are you sure? Because no, if it happened to be his own child, his or her own child, she wouldn't do this. She won't give this child such load. All right, let's look at this. We want to use this as a case study. Now, this one was carrying how many? Although, in our mathematics, so we need to just clear this 2 0 first so that the thing becomes very simple. Okay? Once you see 0 up, 0 down, first of all, eliminate these two first. Let's just forget about it. These 2 0 will just die. That is how to solve mathematics. You see 0 at the last year, 0 here. First of all, eliminate these 2 0. Let them go first so that thing it will reduce the load. Okay? Instead of saying 150, we just say 15. And 6. It will be easy for us to move. So let's use this one. Let's say 6 and 15 for instance. So this is called evil. And let me tell you something. As a mathematician, if you leave your answer like this, you'll be tagged as a wicked person, because you know that these persons are not up. This is a situation when one is oppressed. This person is not free. So you are not allowed to leave your answer like this except otherwise stated. You are solving mathematics, get to this level. Please don't leave this man in this situation. This person needs help. And that is what mathematicians, you are asked to know how to assist. You are a well-mannered person. So what are they asking you to do here? Don't leave this child here. It is called improper. It is not good. It's not advisable. It is wickedness for you to leave this answer like this, for you to leave this situation like this. You see somebody going through this situation, you see the load, heavy load is carrying. His situation is so hard that you could help that person. You couldn't do anything. You allow the person go. That is the message that's being passed here. So it is not proper, because you could help that person, but you couldn't do anything about that. That is wickedness. You let the person go and leave you and move. So what is the law saying we should do? The law says we should help this kind of person, because this thing is what? Improper. It's not good. It's not advisable. Nobody will be happy. The mother that I gave that to that child, when they see the child can't smoke, she will not be happy. The passerby will not be happy. Nobody will be happy with the situation. So it's going to generate what? General reaction, extreme reactions all around. For that purpose, we are going to assist this person. How do you assist the person? Hey, stop. Oh yeah, you help the person lift up the load and drop the load on the ground. Now get a scale. Check this person. Put the scale on the ground. What is the weight of the person? 6. Now carry the load. Pour on that inside bag or one thing, whatever thing, and make the scale. Once you get to the weight of the person, stop. Because the law says once anything is equal to your weight, drop it. So what we need to do now, as we pour that item into the bowl or whatsoever we are pouring, once it's up to the weight of that person, we stopped. That the weight of the person is what? 6. We recorded it. So as we pour this from this 15, we are pouring, we got 6. We drop it. 1. Don't forget, 1 whole weight of that person, 1 had been dropped. Then we pour again. We got another 6. That is 12 now. So we drop it. We drop how many times? 2 times. 2 weight of that person 2 times have been kept on the ground. He's not qualified to carry that 2. Because the law says once it's equal to your weight, you can't carry it. It's not allowed that you should carry it. So you have to put it on the ground. So we have discovered that we are going to measure one, we got the weight of the person. You carry something up to this level. You pour again, you go to another weight of you. Oh, but you want to kill yourself. What's wrong with you? Then you keep it there. How many times? 2 times. Full weight of that person 2 times have been kept on the ground. Then you pour remaining 3. You know, so yeah, prepare your rag. Prepare your rag. Let's quickly prepare it. So we have 2 times full weight of that person, 2 times kept on the ground. Then we now ask the person to prepare his weight. This is the person 6. How many is remaining? So put the 3 now. It is the 3 now that can make the person. You have helped this person now to carry something less than his weight. Okay? So this 6 is now carrying what? 3. Which you know that in our. So what is this now? That's the whole weight of that person 2 times. That's what we now call whole number. Okay? We call it whole number. 2 whole number. 2 whole weight of this person 2 times. Kept on the ground. You can imagine. Then we're left with the 3. We'll now say, okay, prepare a rag. We'll now get the 3 to the person to carry. And that's when the person carries that, we'll now look at it that if we leave this thing like this, 6, 3 king self 1, king 6, we got 2. So we have total 2 whole number now, 1/2. So I mean, if we are solving now, so what has happened is that, but if actually we're just to leave the answer like this way now, it means we have helped this person now to carry something less than himself. So we have really assisted the person. Look at it. The person's weight is 6. Is now carrying 3. So that is what you are called. A mathematician is someone that is expected. This mathematician is trying to tell you how life is supposed to be operated. Do not see anybody who is oppressed, who is in one kind of condition that needs help. You just leave the person and move. And that's why they don't allow you to always leave. And that's why they target improper. So when they're talking about a number less than 1, a number less than 1, a fraction, that's why I proved to you. When you look at the types of fraction, from this one, we have called this one now mixed fraction. Mixed. You see it? We have changed this one to what? Mixed fraction. Why? So mixed fraction contains what? The whole number is when you have assisted the person and given the person the little required, you could carry. You have really helped the person. So when we talk about mixed fraction, it's already an assisted person, someone that already in a comfort zone, who suffered before and have received help from someone, and now is living very enjoyable life. Your question is life have been removed, and that is where we are asked to live, and that's the work we are asked to do. So that's the message this thing is passing across to you in mathematics. So as a mathematician, you must not be a wicked person, but leaving your answer this way, you will be tagged a wicked person. Even if this answer is going to give you 10 marks, it will become 8 because of that little thing. You'll be penalized, except otherwise stated. You should leave your answer in that way. Okay? So what I mean now, let me quickly check this place. Okay, the second, the proper, this is improper, and that is, let me quickly give you some this improper. We have an example of it. Examples: this 8/5, 29/15, etc. Then we're now having that mixed fraction. I've shown you how to get it. Mixed. I've been able to interpret them all to you. Mixed fraction. That is example 2 whole number 1/2 that we did. 1 whole number 1/4. 8 whole number 3/4, etc. Okay, so We continue.